Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to make low content books for Amazon KDP with Designer. So first, plan your book. Choose any niche that you want to make. Identify a target audience and decide on the type of low content book like journal, planner, or notebook. Next, layout design. Plan the interior layout, including sections like prompts, grids, or lined pages. Create the interior in Designer. Start a new project. Log into Designer and select Create New Project. Then customize pages. Design each page with text boxes, lines, shapes, or images, ensuring consistency in fonts and spacing. Step 3. Design the cover. Since Designer focuses on interior content, create a compelling cover using Canva or Adobe Spark. Include details. Ensure that the cover has the title, subtitle, and author name. Next, export and format. Save the completed interior as a PDF following KDP's formatting guidelines. Export the cover. Export the cover separately, ensuring it meets KDP's size and quality requirements. Lastly, publish on Amazon KDP. Set up a KDP account if you don't have one, and then upload the interior and cover files, then use the preview tool to check for errors. Set pricing, select royalty options, and publish. Use Amazon ads and social media for promotion. And that's basically it.